Hello guys, in this video, we know about how to earn money from online with easy way. If you're wanting to make a quick $100 online, that's super simple. Now in this video easy ways to make money online. If you're wanting to make it consistently, it's pretty easy as well. If you're wanting to make an extra $1,000 a month consistently, that's going to take a bit more work. But it's 100% doable. Earn money with eating burger. Don't forget to subscribe. Based on your goals, making thousands online is possible. Is it the right time to start an online money via affiliate marketing? Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There is enough material available online to help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and the overall design for your website. Affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links onto your site and other social media sharing option. This is like a symbiotic partnership. When visitors to your site and web links buy products or services by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. Affiliate marketing program that allows website owners and bloggers to create links and earn referral fees when customers click through and buy products from many websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal, Home Depot, Fiverr, Bluehost, Cloudways and Walmart, and some website for high paying for beginners like Fiverr, Bluehost, Hostinger, Green Geeks, Liquid Web and Sendinblue. It's completely free to join and easy to use. Provide consumers the convenience of referring them to a trusted site where they can immediately purchase products you advertise. And when they do, you can earn up to 10% in referral fees. Take advantage of various retail promotions and leverage our newly created advertising features to drive traffic and earn referrals. Hello.